Great products have unique vision and clear goals, but pulling together personas, positioning, business models, and competitor insights to guide your strategy can take serious time and effort. That's where the AI assistant and AHA roadmaps can really help. Let's imagine that we're building some new features for a cycling app, specifically for bike commuters. So we want to create a new persona. I'm going to do that now by drafting with AI. The AI assistant is going to guide me through a series of short questions like, what's their job title? What product knowledge do they have? And I can easily point to some other information with raw notes that I captured elsewhere. In just a few minutes, the AI assistant is going to draft a full user persona that I can then go through and review, edit anything as needed, and then simply click update. With one click, I have a fully drafted user persona. What used to take hours now takes minutes. So go ahead and give the AI assistant and AHA roadmaps a try today. You are going to love how it helps strengthen your thinking and help you build lovable products faster.